You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket screwdriver and a Torx T25 socket, completely unscrew the two screws on the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Lift the cover of the flange, then remove the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in position. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Screw the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.